Hello and welcome. Today I show you how you can make Arabic coffee or Middle Eastern coffee. This coffee is made in a lot of countries in the Middle East. First you need a small cup that is really solid, ceramic cup. Get some coffee made for this purpose. This is one brand that is pretty nice. I'm sure there are a lot of kinds, just basically the coffee. Sometimes it's coffee Arabica, coffee mixed with cardamom. The way you make this coffee is that you don't put a lot of water, just a small cup, and you use this kind of special coffee pot that is, sometimes you could make it on the sun, that's even more interesting, but you can make it on the stove. So what I do, I take one full spoon of coffee. The coffee grinds, they look like this. And I add it in the coffee pot and stir it well. The water is already a bit warm, but not hot. Once I'm done stirring, I don't touch it anymore, and I let it just start. When it starts to boil, when it starts to make a bit of foam, you have to be careful, you have to really catch this moment. When it starts to inflate, to start to make foam, then you take it away from the stove immediately. And then you get really nice, a lot of foam in it, and it makes coffee really nice. If you let it boil, it's not good anymore, and if you don't let it get a bit foamy, it's not gonna be so nice. Here, for example, I could have left it a little bit more, but I think this amount of foam is pretty good. It could be a lot more and nicer. Okay, now there is one trick. This is specific to Arabic coffee, and it's really nice if you try this. If you tried coffee like this, try to use 1 or 2 seeds of cardamom, and once you make the coffee, you put these seeds in your coffee cup. One should be enough actually for the beginning. And it gives a really interesting flavor to the coffee. You might even mix it a bit, but it's up to you. Better not to mix it. So when you try this, let me know. And also the most important is the coffee you use to make this. You should find coffee blends made for Arabic coffee, Middle Eastern coffee, this style, in this kind of pot. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like and share, and I will see you next time. Bye. Let me know if you make this coffee and if you like it or not.